Welcome, fellow Mac users, ready to dive into some troubleshooting magic. How to find the user folder on Mac. Have you ever found yourself wondering where essential components of your operating system hide away? Well, wonder no more. The user folder holds the answers you seek, and we're about to unlock its secrets together. It's the place where vital system files and resources reside, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Today, I'll guide you through the process of uncovering it step by step. Get ready to uncover the user folder like never before. Open up your Finder. You can do this by clicking on the smiling face icon in your dock. Now, let's bring up the Go to Folder dialog box. Click on the Go menu at top, and then click on the Go to Folder menu from the drop-down list. You can also open this by pressing Command, Shift, and G keys on your keyboard simultaneously. In the dialog box that appears, type in /user and click on the Go button. This will direct the Finder to the USR folder. You'll find yourself peering into the user folder's contents. To make accessing the user folder easier in the future, you can drag it into your Finder Favorites bar. Just click and hold on the folder, then drag it up to the Favorites section. Please like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips on Mac. Thanks for watching, Mac lovers.